What's going on? It's Roger. So here's some more diecast that I am selling. This is a Fresh Cherries AMC Pacer from 1978. Fresh Cherries is made by, I'm trying to think, Motor Max, I think it is. But this is like the really high-end quality. This is obviously a little bit bigger than the normal size Hot Wheels, just slightly bigger in scale. But really good detail, as you can see. I got a lot of these high-end cars back in the days, just because I thought they were really cool and true to form as well. Sorry, let me go there. AMC Pacer, yeah, and metal base, metal body. Like I said, the details, and rubber wheels. And of course, anyways, just showing that off before I send it out.